So here's the app's called Create My Daily AI Assistant. So here you can just try tap to get it. Pretty cool. Your internet AI sidekick. Let's curate your internet together, organized by AI. Get quick summaries. AI recipe finder. Import social faves. Sync across devices. Personalized AI picks. Your internet organized with Create. Create allows you to save and curate content from all corners of internet, from websites and social media to podcasts and YouTube videos. With Create, you can create crates, unique collections of content from various sources. Effortless content saving. Adding content to Create is a breeze. Hit the add button, share links from your favorite apps, and import directly from your Chrome browser. AI-powered organization. Crates AI makes organization effortless. Collaborate and share with Crates. AI summaries for quick insight. Discover your content personality. So maybe it's trending on TikTok, or it's going viral. And then so let's just try it out. So something seems it's not. So now it allows me to sign in, and then you just have and then you can just ask it like. So you have basically some popular trending topics which people are creating, and then like you can then just see some different videos, and then you just basically see that like that. So this is kind of, I guess there were a lot of apps in old era where like apps like Digit or something like that, where you can just go to some random website, completely random website. And now it seems this is a new app for that, where you can just completely go to some random site and app curated for you, and then AI automatically analyzed it for you and just gave a summary for you. So then you can just read it, you can listen to it, uh, you can then just bookmark it, and then you can just shop it. So that's basically the idea in here, how it works. So quite fun, and that's the idea. And then there's Create AI. So you can have like some recipes. So for example, I don't know, and then so now it's kind of building it. And then it will give you suggestions with links to it. So that's kind of the idea. So something like that. And then you have your saves, your account. You can add new link. You can add from device. There are some settings. And that's the idea of the app, basically. Like, if you like it, try it out. Leave some suggestions in the comments. Some people like it.